Are you interested in learning how to force quit apps on your Mac? Watch this video to find out how. To begin, open your Mac, click on the Apple icon located at the top left corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, choose Force Quit. Alternatively, you can press the Command and Option and Escape keys simultaneously to open the Force Quit Applications window. Once the window appears, select the unresponsive app and click on Force Quit at the bottom right corner. This action will halt the app's operation and remove it from your screen. Repeat these steps for any other unresponsive apps. Then, click on the red button at the top left corner of the Force Quit Applications window to close it. Allow some time for the apps to stabilize, then relaunch them to check if the issue persists. Now that you've learned how to force quit apps on Mac, let's take it a step further. Subscribe to Guiding Tech and explore one of these specially handpicked videos just for you.